Hey, hey, hey. I just got Amazon package. Yes, I'm still in my gym clothes. Don't judge me and don't judge my dining room table. We are getting ready for a craft show. Say hi to Finn Baby. Say hi, Finn Baby. He's not having it. Anyway, we got stuff everywhere, but we're super excited to be at the Eva Frontier Days in Eva, Alabama on September 27th. If you guys are out and about that day, come see us. And on the 13th of September, we'll be at Mavens and Makers, downtown Coleman, with a free make and take. Come in, do a 5-minute craft with me. It's gonna be super easy. It'll literally take 5 minutes. Say hi to me, do a craft, and then hang out and check out all the wonderful things they have at Mavens and Makers. That's on the 13th of September from 10 to 4. And then the craft show is on the 27th of September. And that is from 9, I think it ends at 4, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, y'all come see me. And I'll have friends with me on the 27th. So you'll get you'll be able to shop Ellie Grace's signs. We'll have a little bit of something representing every season, but it's mainly gonna be fall and Christmas stuff. And then I have a friend who's going to be bringing her crocheted items and some t-shirts, and we're possibly going to have some homemade candles for you guys to check out, so you don't want to miss out. But anyway, let's get to what I ordered from Amazon. Part of this is for the craft show, and part of this is just because I need it. So I had to order, y'all, I had one, and I'll tell you why. Of course, you get one, you know, you have to get one with your phone, and I have that Apple block, which I love, and I keep that in the bedroom where I charge at night. But I like to have one in my kitchen because moms be cooking, right? We're in the kitchen 99% of the time, and so I have a block and a charger in my kitchen, so I'm not having to go pull that one, move it here, all the things. There's already one in here in a junk drawer, and I pull it out when I need it. Well, y'all, it was just a cheapo one. It literally fell apart on me the other day. I've had it so long. So I got these off of the Amazon. It came in a 2-pack, and these are under $10. They're not expensive, but I have one of these in another room, and they are good quality. And what I really love about these, can I open it? What I really love about these guys is, well, once we get in it, they have 2 portals. So you can charge 2 things at once. So I love these. I've had them before. They're good quality. I'll drop a link. And then I've been needing one of these because at the craft show, I'm gonna have to use my phone, and there's no electricity where we're gonna be at. So I got myself a portable charger, which is really cool. It charges all the iPhones. It has the spot for it has a lightning cable and USB-C, so it'll charge 2 different type of things. So I've used, my granddaughter actually had one of these when she came for Camp Nana, and I used it then, and it worked really well. So I went ahead and just nabbed me one, because can never have enough ways to charge your phone, am I right? So anyway, I'll link this down below as well. This was not under $10, but I feel like it's gonna be worth it. So, but I'll link it, and you guys go check it out. So yeah, love you. Don't forget, mark your calendars, September 13th, September 27th, 2 opportunities to see Ellie Grace's Attic in the wild. Hope to see you there.